Some people see a storm coming and seek shelter, but there are times when the storm itself is the destination. The final stretch of the journey, the further in I go, the more the world outside disappears, leaving only the first act of creating a home is to build its walls, not with wood or stone, but with simple dark fabric. Each cover I place is a curtain drawn against the wildness, a promise of the warmth and security that will soon fill this space. And now, the transformation. The seats fold away, surrendering their purpose to the needs of the night. A solid floor emerges, a foundation for rest. On top of it, a soft bed, the first layer of comfort, a buffer against the cold steel and the frozen ground below. The heart of any home is its hearth. For me, tonight, it's this small heater, humming to life with a soft glow. It's a promise of warmth that will radiate through the night. Then, the kitchen. A compact world of its own, holding the promise of a hot meal. Everything has its place, ready to create a little magic. With the necessities in place, it's time to add a little soul, light, a small lantern to hang from the ceiling, another for the table. These aren't just for seeing, they're for creating a feeling, a tiny glowing sanctuary against the growing dark. The world outside is now a beautiful, blurry masterpiece of motion. And through the haze, a visitor, a small furry creature, just as curious about my light as I am about its resilience. We are two souls sharing the solitude of the storm. Dinner becomes a meditation, the simple act of cracking an egg, the sizzle of oil, the rhythmic chop of fresh vegetables. These small sounds become a symphony, playing in concert with the howl of the wind outside. It's a reminder that even in isolation, there is life and warmth. The snow is heavier now, a true blizzard building a fortress of white around my haven. The world is being erased, buried under a soft, silent blanket, and I am here at the very center of it all, completely safe. This is the reward. My own private cinema, with the storm playing on the windows and a film projected on the screen. The comfort is absolute. A warm bed, a good story, and the wild beauty of nature raging just inches away. But the night calls for one more indulgence. A late night snack of spicy, cheesy ramen. It's a meal that feels like pure comfort, warming me from the inside out. With a cold drink to balance the heat, this moment is perfect. With everything settled, it's time to burrow in and let the storm sing me to sleep. Morning, the world has been reborn in silence and light. The fury of the night has given way to a profound stillness. And there's another friend waiting outside, a gentle dog, his coat dusted with snow, his eyes full of happy curiosity. A warm greeting in a cold, beautiful world. After a long night, breakfast is a celebration. A savory hamburger steak over fried rice, crowned with a perfect sunny side-up egg. I eat slowly, watching the snow-laden branches, sipping hot coffee, trying to absorb every bit of this tranquility. All good things must come to an end. The sanctuary is packed away piece by piece until it's just a car again. But it's not the same. It carries the memory of the night. I leave only footprints in the snow, but I take the peace with me, down the mountain and back into the world.